And you guys remember this 87 Suburban? Finally got the green light to finish it. After a couple years or more delay, she's been sitting. See where we left off. Back of that seat frame was broke. Was waiting on it to be welded. Finally got that back. There's all the extra pieces. I need to go through this again. Vacuum this thing out. Wipe it down. So it needs a dash. Gotta clean the steering wheel real good. It's pretty nasty. He was supposed to get new trim pieces. I don't know if he's still going to do that or not. Do something with those. There's some pockets and the bottom panel. So 4 bottom panels, dash, back seat, and the back 2 lower panels for the cargo doors. We need to order a dome light lens or 2. So throw them some LEDs in there. And then wipe all that down. Charging the battery up so I can move it back and give it a good wash. It got pretty nasty. It's real dirty on top. I'll have to soak that with something. Vacuum it out next. Like I mentioned, here's the seat frame. It was welded back. Went ahead and cleaned up all the edges and painted this. Everything that'll show. Add the foam back onto it. And I've had the seat cover finished sitting in the vehicle for a couple years. Finally install that. I'll get that on today. Vacuum it out, clean that steering wheel. I'll wash it another day. I'm gonna move it back some. Anyways, there we are. Back on that thing. See if I can finish that by the end of the year. Had a problem with my clutch on my personal truck. It aggravated me yesterday, so I just cleaned her up best I could. Checked the clutch fluid, it was a little low, had been going low lately. I put a new master clutch cylinder and a slave cylinder on here a few years back. I don't know why the fluid went low, nothing's leaking. I don't know if I'll replace those again or what. And I got the dash installed, the Impala. We'll end it on this one. Get up in here. Still gotta put the emblem on. This bad boy, it's got door panels next. Door panels, front 2 pillar posts, rear 2 post panels, and some customizing for the stereo equipment speakers in the back deck. So also want to work on finishing this one by the end of the year too. Well, these 2 vehicles I'll concentrate on. You guys that's been waiting on me, appreciate the patience. And whoever's been trying to call for the last couple months, my phone goes straight to voicemail. I can call out and get text messages, but can't really take anything new right now anyways. Looking for first of the year for all that. I'm gonna tear this one down first of the year too. I just need her to keep moving some stuff out of this shed. I'll come back and show after I get this thing cleaned up and front seat installed. Door jambs cleaned up again, I guess. They really needed to be painted. They look horrible. I'll still clean it though, do the best I can with it. Missing some guts. Missing all the lock mechanism. Yeah. Alright, I'll be back. Peace.